You just said, "Oh my God, yes." So I was like, "Let me put you in here." So she's looking at the new GP303. Is it Phil?
Feels awesome. It's so comfortable compared to anything else I've been in. I've tried some of the others, and this is the bomb.
It is the bomb. That's exactly what I said.
So
yeah.
This is very comfortable.
All right.
Especially because I'm not a skinny mini.
It's in between the arms. You feel like it's
I'm
plenty
fine.
of room.
I'm fine. Very comfortable.
Awesome.
Love it. Yeah. It's awesome. Now I'm going straight ahead.
And this is the first time really riding in a power chair?
I tried one of your other wheelchairs like this, but it wasn't comfortable.
Yep.
And when I was driving with this stick shift here, and it was going like this.
Yep.
Am I going to go over that plug?
Yeah, come right over it. You're doing great.
If I want to go straight, go straight. This is awesome.
Awesome. You can go right there if you like.